If you're looking to boost your sales and drive conversions, using pop-ups with Proof is one of the quickest and most effective ways to do so. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage Proof for maximizing sales through pop-up notifications on your site, and I promise you'll walk away knowing exactly how to implement it. Proof is a powerful tool that lets you create real-time social proof pop-ups, showing your website visitors that others are engaging with your products or services. These pop-ups display notifications of actions like purchases, sign-ups, or product views that are happening on your site at that very moment. The psychology behind it is simple. People are more likely to make a purchase if they see others doing the same. It's like having your own crowd cheering on new customers. To get started, once you're logged into Proof, you'll see a dashboard that lets you customize pop-ups to your needs. You can choose the type of notification you want to display, whether it's showing recent purchases, sign-ups, or even the number of people currently browsing your site. This kind of live feedback creates an urgency that can push visitors to take action sooner rather than later. A key feature of Proof is the ability to target pop-ups based on specific actions or pages your visitors are engaging with. For example, you could trigger a pop-up showing how many people have recently purchased a product right when someone views that same item. This increases trust and nudges your potential customer toward making a purchase. The customization is where Proof really shines. You can choose how your pop-ups look, selecting fonts, colors, and positioning to match your brand. You'll want your pop-ups to look seamless with your overall site design, and Proof makes that easy. You can also control when and where the pop-ups appear, whether you want them to show up immediately, after a delay, or when a user is about to leave. The flexibility is in your hands. One of the most exciting features is the A/B testing functionality. Proof allows you to run different variations of pop-ups to test which version performs best, so you can optimize for maximum conversion. This is a key step in any digital marketing strategy, constant testing and tweaking, to find out what works best for your audience. As for tracking, Proof provides robust analytics that shows you how your pop-ups are performing, so you can understand the ROI of each campaign. Whether you want to track clicks, conversions, or engagement, everything is measured in real time. This helps you make data-driven decisions that ultimately drive sales. But here's the real kicker. You can get started with Proof completely free through the exclusive link in the description below. This isn't just a trial, it's a chance to test out the full range of features and see exactly how Proof can help boost your sales with pop-ups. No strings attached. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get access to extended free trials and advanced features that'll help supercharge your results. Now, if you've made it this far, you've probably noticed that using Proof for boosting sales with pop-ups is incredibly simple but highly effective. So, if you want to see exactly how this software can work for your business, grab the link in the description to start your free trial today. Remember, using pop-ups with Proof isn't just about showing off social proof. It's about strategically driving your visitors to take the actions you want them to. With easy-to-use tools and powerful customization, Proof is a no-brainer for boosting conversions. Don't forget, by using the link below, you'll get an exclusive extended trial of Proof, so you can start seeing results right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.